Autofilled.
Tesla. Same thing again. He was doing it without the market though. When SPY went red to green, that's when it popped.
Tesla's going, Maki.
Yeah, I'm gonna play this.
It's pushing. The market's also kind of pushing.
No, it was pushing without.
Yeah, no, it was
without.
pushing without, but see how much are these contracts? The 230s are 235 bucks. Yeah, but look at this red candle spot and then Tesla. Let's just see if this holds up. If this can hold up, then I'll be interested. Your first level is 228 level, right?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, but we should see a big move after that.
There's a nice little wall here at 228. There it goes.
SPY just pushed though.
Yeah, SPY did just push. Let's see what Tesla's about here. If this is gonna move by itself. It didn't push right there with SPY, but it didn't drop with SPY either when just like a couple minutes ago. So as long as this doesn't flip red when SPY comes back down here, then Tesla's on its own. For me, I just want to see this push without SPY here. Probably that 229 level as long as I get that momentum push and volume. It's doing its own thing. Yeah, Tesla's going here. Oh, SPY just ripped. Are you looking at SPY upside? Weren't you looking at that?
Yeah, I like upside, but I like Tesla more.
Yeah, I get what you're saying.
SPY is right at that 1 minute trend and just got above it.
Just broke.
Yeah.
Oh, it just broke through Hive Day. Fuck. $427 broke into $427.30. That's a 30-cent break on SPY.
Like easily 18%.
Mm-hmm. We'll see what happens here with Tesla. I just want to see if this gets affected on any red trade.
I personally took starters and I'm gonna keep them at break even on Tesla.
What happened?
I took starters and I'm gonna keep the stop loss at break even.
Yeah, it's still above like 40 cents, 50 cents.
Oh look, spine just crashed. Like dumped heavy from that high.
Yeah, about what, 50 cents there. Look at Tesla trying to hold a red to green here. So Tesla didn't drop with SPY, but it also didn't push with that candle there. So it's not moving with the market, guys. Yeah, 220, 50. See, BA is looking like it's wants. What is it up? $4 for the day?
BA's just choppy. It's not as clean as it normally is when it
Yeah.
had major breakouts. So this isn't a good
I
breakout
mean,
for
that gap
BA.
is crazy.
Like if you have a crazy risk or reward that doesn't make sense, then sure it's going well for you right now. But as a scalper, it's not. It's kind of like holding in the entire move. It's not worth it.
Netflix really bounced to 404 from 396. That's an $8 move. And it was
Yo,
really
did it gap up from 214 to 215, or my TOS charts just messed up?
no. Well, that's when it unfroze.
Oh, gotcha.
So yeah, Tesla for me, I haven't entered. I'm gonna really enter probably around 229. I just need to see momentum. 230 was my entry, but it just depends where we get this volume at. SPY's holding up well here. We're at 427 on the ask.
Ace, you really got to take into consideration your risk to reward here, man. Whatever plan you had for that, I would definitely recommend following it. Because, like Millie said, hope is not a great not a great factor in trades. If it were me, if you're asking that, I'm not going to tell you what to do, but if it were me, I would definitely not try and average down, because that's what a lot of these people do, and then you see them, hold their positions to zero, and they just keep averaging down and averaging down. I would recommend following whatever plan you had in the first place. However, it does look like it's going your way at this moment in time. memes, that's facts. Ace, you also have to take into consideration it's a Thursday, so premiums are going to take a decent hit.
There goes Tesla. It's trying to break the 228.50. Finally doing it by itself a little bit here, guys. Yeah, there it goes.
Partially filled. Order filled.
Try. Yeah, I mean, for now, it'd be the target would be 229. That's probably where I would signal. I'm just trying to see times and sales print. Oh, SPY is ripping too, though. That's the only problem.
Ace, we can't tell you what to do, man. Like I said, you're just gonna have to follow your plan that you had.
I'm looking at the 230. Oh, well, 230 calls, obviously, but I'm looking at 229 level here. SPY's ripping. Oh, there goes Tesla. It's moving with the market now, I think. We'll see. Nah, not really. See, so the SPY's having a red candle here. Tesla's still kind of holding up.
Alright, boys and girls, I think I'm gonna take my quick little 10% here and walk away. I don't dislike Tesla, but I also really don't feel like wading through the chop, to be honest.
Yeah, I'm debating that too, Keith.
Yeah, I mean, like,
Looking at
it
SPY.
doesn't look bad, but
Like, it's holding up well. Like, look at this. See, like, for example, this candle versus SPY. That looks great.
yeah, but
I
it's
don't
like
need
every
SPY having
time,
a big candle when I'm in. Just SPY.
every time it makes a new high, it just like rejects. So I don't know.
Yeah, I'm waiting for 230, guys. It's showing the momentum, everything I need to see here into 229, but I just don't like how unhealthy SPY looks right now. That's too much of range play. Yeah, we're above 229 now on the ASP, or almost. We're at 229.99. A couple cents here.
ES and NQ both, they'll make a new high by like 20-30 cents and then just reject.
just sold Tesla.
Nice, Monkey. When
See-
did you get in, bro?
Bro. Do this.
227.30.
Ever since I said Tesla's gone,
Guys, look at SPY. That's what I mean when I say it's just unhealthy for me to play Tesla at that 229 level.
oh my god.
Dang, Maki, you like really, really scale into positions. What the heck?
That was so stressful.
11 different buys, bro.
Yeah, I average up, I don't average down.
No, I understand what you're doing. I'm just saying, like, that's a, I don't know, I maybe max, I do like 3.
No, it's
Good stuff.
because I have multiple levels. Every time I see a green flag, I take I do an add.
No, that's cool.
And then when I see a red flag at the last level, like 229, that's when I cut it.
Nice.
I never average down though. Absolutely not. If I'm red, I'm red. I'm not adding.
Yeah. Hey, Ace, man. I don't know what. If you didn't have a plan going into the trade, you're gonna have to make one now. I really, really advise that you follow a plan. I'm not exactly sure where you're gonna stop out. I'm also not exactly sure where you're gonna just cut the position in general, because if you're gonna wait till you're green on that position to sell, that's very, 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 I mean, it can happen, but at this point, it's gonna be kind of a stretch, so. Alright, so from what I can tell, from what you're saying and the screenshots, it's, you're 100% basing this trade off of P&L. Which, in the nicest way possible, the market does not care what your P&L is whatsoever.
That's
So,
still strong, bro. That's still strong. Yeah, I'm probably gonna signal a rejection thing on SPY. It just needs a little more upside. There's a key level there at 14, above 14.750. I'll signal that rejection thing. You're looking at in the money contracts. This trade should be at least 40% based off of where the target is.
7 minutes to 229.
But I'm watching Tesla for a power candle here.
It's strong.
Yeah.
Contracts are a little scary though. Been watching. It's right here, 5 cents away, guys. 2 cents. It's gonna crack. Yeah, see, 20-cent break. The problem is I hate SPY. Maki. And Maki, aren't you gonna signal a rejection play or something?
Yeah. It's far though.
Oh, it's far.
far?
Yeah, it's like a couple cents still.
Okay, alright. If it's far, let me know when I need to shut up. Ace, so the NVIDIA downside play that they were looking at, I don't know how long you've been in here, but we pretty much always scalp, which our trades are anywhere between like a minute and 5 minutes usually, to be honest. So when you're waiting around this long, that original thought is no longer valid. Is that the right wording there? Anybody else on mic? Would you agree that like the idea that was originally there is no longer the same idea?
Yeah, you can't think about, like, you can't base it off of it anymore. It's nowhere near that level.
Right. So that idea of downside is no longer valid. Whenever we were pushing towards the downside and had momentum into that level, then the idea was valid of NVIDIA downside for a scalp, right? But you're never gonna see us. I mean, you might, but you'll rarely ever see us hold trades for this long in the first place, especially when it blows way, way, way past where a reasonable stop would be. Now it's kind of just in no man's land, and there isn't really an idea for it anymore. Like if we weren't in this position, which we're not looking to trade anything here, right? So there is no plan right now. You're past the levels of having a plan.
Yeah, as well the fact that if he holds his profits that long, then it would make sense, right? The risk reward would be there. If you're bag holding your profits and they're over 200% trades, then sure your risk reward can be a little higher. But if you're looking for a scalp on the profit, you have to keep it as a scalp on the stop loss too.
Yeah, for sure. And like realistically, what was the target on this trade? Realistically, it was probably gonna be like 10-15%, right? Maybe 20 since it's Thursday. So yeah. But like I said earlier, since I don't think you had a plan getting into it, you need to create a plan for what you have in there right now, because you can't just keep holding and holding and holding, because if you hold it forever, then it's just going to go to zero. So
It's also Thursday. That's why I
right,
wanted to.
I said that earlier whenever he sent a screenshot and said even after a fat drop he's still down the same, and I said it's Thursday, contract premiums are going to take a hit. Ace, I remember for a fact I heard Benji say exactly when he cut his. Nor, I'm fairly confident you said when you cut yours as well. I don't know that for a fact.
What did you say?
He said, didn't hear anybody say to sell NVIDIA. I said, I know for a fact I heard Benji.
Bro, I said my stop like 3 different times.
Yeah, I asked
bro.
Benji what he was selling, and I was like, yeah, me too.
I even
sold
said
one
it
above
before
Benji.
he asked, bro. And then he asked me
Yeah.
and I said it again, so like,
It
sell's always on
changes.
you, bro.
Green. Tesla's showing some strength here.
Dude, it needs to close above 229 on the 30-minute, bro.
Yeah.
I think we're
Bro, it
out of
hasn't
here.
even closed above 229 on the 1 minute.
Yeah, I know. The 30-minute has like 2 more minutes.
No. The high from yesterday was 230.83. I like 230 as long as we move by itself here. And it's kind of doing its own thing, so.
If you tried 230, Nora, would your target be like the 231 break?
It would actually be more than that. It'd be like 232. It depends how I get there in the first
Yeah.
place.
My next resistance is like 233. Is that what you have?
Yeah, and then 235 and then 237.
Yeah, that's what I
It's
got.
really 233 and then 237, but
Yeah.
235 we always run into a wall there, so I always mention it. We're above 229 on Tesla. Let's see how the strength. It just closed? Yeah, it's trying. Nah, I didn't even close above 229.
not?
Nah.
Oh my god.
Actually, it did like 3
Until
cents.
the last second.
Struggling. But yeah, 230 is my entry most likely here. I just have to see how it gets up there.
Guys, everybody that's saying that he didn't say when he was out, I promise you he said when he was out.
Yeah, I
Benji
said,
said when
I
he was
said it
out.
on mic with Benji, and then I just, at the end, I just put how much I lost. Because I have to do the math on how much I was down. 22%.
Yeah, I mean,
Yo, Tesla, bro. I don't think we're going to get this trade, bro. I'm gonna sit here all day for no reason.
Ace, I wasn't even talking about you. I just see a lot of conversation going on. Trying to help out. I can understand if you guys haven't been in here for too long, but you've got to come to the lessons and understand that we are here telling you what our plans are, but that doesn't mean that the plan is the same for everybody. Your guys' risk has to be different than Nor's risk, because even though he's not going to, and even though he won't, Nor could blow an entire account and be fine. Whereas
What'd you say?
the majority of us cannot, right? So even then, even though he does say when he's out and his risk management is still great, you have to have your own risk management as well. Because if you're in decently heavy for your account
On
size
Tesla.
and the majority of the money to your name is in your account, you've got to be tighter on that than Nor has to be, right? And he's not going to tell you what to do. He's going to tell you what he's doing.
Alright,
We'll
guys.
tell you what we're doing.
Yo, Keith, Spy's setting up. Alright, guys,
Gotcha.
I'm looking at 429 puts. Gonna do this one light. It's a rejection play, but 2 strikes in the money should be good. I just need to see one more pop into that resistance.
But I think if Tesla gets above 229.30, this thing's gone.
Yeah, it's consolidating on contract and consolidating on the stock here.
Yeah.
So it's
straight
ready
up.
to do something ASAP here, but the problem is SPY. Even though it's not moving with the market, if it has a big red candle, it's gonna affect the whole overall market.
Alright, guys. Got my finger on the trigger here. SPY 429 puts. Doing the right things here. Just want to see if it bounces off of this support. This candle slips below 28 cents. I'm gonna take the entry. looking at 429, puts 2 strikes in the money. I'm in these. Here it goes. I'm already up 5%. Now I'm looking for a 427 as a target.
Look at Tesla here. SPY's dropping.
Holding up, right?
It's
But
pushing.
I told you guys we were gonna see that 230 today. So they're like 20 minutes into open. SPY stop loss is 420 above 427.60. Should be
There
about
goes Tesla, because Tesla just broke through a crazy wall at 229.15, guys.
Yo, I'm literally in a trade and I think my interactive just crashed, bro. It's
No,
frozen.
we can hear you though.
You can hear me?
Yeah.
Bro, I literally can't do anything on interactive.
You're not in a trade, are you?
Market
No, I
data
am, bro.
connection lost.
Oh, you are?
I am.
Bro, got the boo boo PC.
What are you telling me?
Guys, I stopped talking, by the way. But just read that message I sent.
SPY's trying to hold 40 cents here. I'm expecting it to reject aggressively. We'll see how it reacts. We just rejected 10 cents, but it's not ready yet for the move. But I'm looking for a move below 427. It should be at 20% play easily. Stop loss still the same. Not gonna add as well. Just gonna let it ride.
Yeah, for Tesla, guys, I'm looking at the 228.80 level. That's where, 229.80 level as entry. I'm looking at the 230 calls.
We slip below 28 cents again, and it's probably gonna get going. SPY here. Direct here to 28 cents. Let's see some follow through here below 20. Once 20 cents cracks, this is gonna get going. Here it goes. Here it comes, guys. Let's go. New low, new local low. It's flushing. Let's go, baby. Up 7% here. 6%. See one more flush into 427, then it's gonna get going. Look at the scale out though as it gets down there now to hold the entire position to target. Oh my god, they just flushed it. Sniper, baby, sniper. Scaling out here, guys. There it goes. There it goes. Let's go. Flush through 427. Come on, baby. Let's break 90 cents. it comes back above 10 cents, I'm gonna cut it. I cut it, guys. Bingo, beautiful.
Red to green here on Tesla.
Tesla's too strong, bro. That was the only reason I'm even thinking about this.
This breaks 230 is a couple.
Movie.
Good job, Maki. We got your SPY play, possibly get a Tesla play, so it'll all work out here. Tesla's up 2% for the day, up about $5. It's a little extended, not fully yet, but we'll see when we come up to that 230 level how it got up there. New high on Tesla. Guys, Tesla's getting here. Probably gonna signal soon. It's showing strength against the market. Even when the market was dipping with Maki, Tesla was holding up. That's what I was focused on.
The contract's not. I sold at 229.
That's what you sold at?
293. If I didn't have that good of a hedge,
If I kept holding Tesla, I'd be up at 3K.
Yeah, I'm about to get it. I'm about to signal here.
Yeah.
You like it?
I like it. Has room to 37 cents.
I'm in these. Times and sales is starting to print a little bit here. I'm in lightly because I'm gonna add right before 230.
Order filled.
Stop loss is 12% for me, guys. How much did you guys make on spot? Percentage?
It's over 10%.
Nice.
Easily.
Yeah, so I'm only risking 12% on this on a light position. I'm gonna add at 230. I like how it's holding up against the market, or was holding up. They said 14% Maki they made on SPY, which is dope. 2 cents away here, guys, on the 230 break. How big is this wall? Oh, it's a lot. Holy shit.
Yo, it
If
is
this
a lot,
breaks,
bro.
it's gonna be a quick.
Oh my
break
god,
saver.
20 cents.
Yeah, so now you can obviously just sell or take the risk.
What's the yesterday's was 230.83. Okay.
Yeah. This thing is so freaking crazy.
That's what I'm holding to. This is way too strong here. 1 million on this candle right here, North.
Yo, look at the volume. Yeah. What is that? Yeah, 1.1 million. Holy shit. Yeah, new high. Oh my
Oh
god.
my god, this is a
I made a lot
banger.
on that.
Fill them.
Fill them.
Where's George at,
I
bro?
may be cheating, but
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's still going.
Wow. Damn, Benji. What the heck? Oh, yo,
Hey,
that
yo.
ass.
Oh,
That bid and ask are just moving beautifully.
Yeah. That was the play, guys. Oh, my god.
Oh, here we go.
Jeez.
If this pulls back to 230, I'll probably just sell there and just take the profit then. I'm pretty deep in the green though, so. What about you, Nora? Are you still in or?
Yeah.
You are?
Not as heavy as I wanted to be, but I made it happen. I'm about to get out probably. The high is what, 80?
Yeah,
Yeah.
80 cents.
it's just so strong. Like I would expect this to hit like 235 by tomorrow, but I'm not gonna take that chance. But overall, see, like that sell, that was perfect. Like, well, that buy was so perfect. So it was up to you guys to sell on that. I still think it's going to take the high, but like I said, the market's so unhealthy, you just don't know because SPY can have a big red candle. And this is Monkey's rejection area where he played it originally.
Tesla's pretty extended too here, to be honest.
Yeah, it's pretty normal if this pulls back. I wouldn't even be like surprised.
Yeah.
These contracts are gaining premium though.
I was
Yeah,
just
they're
about to
banging,
say,
dude.
They're
I'm
moving
looking
up
at
while the
how much
stock's
they're
going
at.
down.
Yeah,
Look, bro, they're moving. They just gained another 5 cents on the contract.
yeah, that's crazy.
But they're both at a rejection level. If both of them rejected, so
Yeah. That's why I said 230 probably just might take profit if this comes back and touches it.
I was in since 226. I can't believe I sold.
Yeah, Mackie, I held, bro. I got in at like the same, at like 227, I think.
But I was in like 30 contracts deep with 40 contracts.
But if this falls under
I think
like,
missed
I
out
only
like
had
40.
100 contracts, which was light. It was like 26,000, but with 26,000, I made 9K. So that's pretty crazy. That's like 33%, 30%.
So that's fire. Yeah.
Yeah.
for me, I'm probably gonna use 230.15 as a take profit or 231 break.
No way,
personally.
it's about to do another red to green.
I scaled out on that last high. So
Oh, I'm still,
chilling.
yeah, I'm still
Nice,
in
Frankie.
my entire position here.
Nice.
I had profits to play with, so I'm chilling.
Bro, this is like my longest trade in like forever.
I just did the math. I missed out on like 44.5.
Order partially
It's
filled.
insane.
Order filled.
I just sold there